Which outdoor light bulb camera is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Wesico Light Bulb Camera. Let's kick things off with the Wesico Light Bulb Security Camera. Priced at just $21.99, this bulb caught my attention because it promises a blend of affordability and advanced features. If you're looking for a budget-friendly solution that doesn't skimp on surveillance quality, this is worth a serious look. The Wesico offers 2K HD video with color night vision, which means you can see clearly even in low light up to 33 feet away. That's crucial for identifying faces or objects if something suspicious happens at night. Plus, with motion detection and human tracking, it minimizes false alarms, so you won't be getting unnecessary notifications. The two-way audio feature is also a nice touch, allowing real-time communication with anyone near the camera. This model has a solid rating of 4.2 stars from over 4,100 reviews, indicating that many users appreciate its performance. Now, some users mentioned that it's not waterproof and requires a special lampshade for outdoor use. Here's the thing though, if you can account for that with proper installation, you still get an excellent camera for the price. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want reliable home security. Skip this one if you need something that can handle all weather conditions without add-ons. For the price, it delivers great value. Now, if the Wi-Fi connectivity of the Wesico stressed you out, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, WIZ Bulb Cam. Next up is the WIZ Bulb Cam, which comes as a 2-pack for $72.18. What really caught my eye was its versatility. It combines smart lighting with a security camera seamlessly. If you're looking for something that excels in both illumination and surveillance, definitely check this out. This device provides 2K HD resolution and a wide 160-degree view. The built-in motion detection and siren alarm help keep your property secure, while the customizable brightness allows for perfect lighting conditions. The camera also supports local recording to a micro SD card, so you won't miss a moment without needing a subscription. With a rating of 4.2 stars from 3,300 reviews, many users rave about its dual functionality. However, a few reviewers noted that the installation can be tricky if your light fixture is deep. But honestly, as long as you have the right type of fixture, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's a fantastic option for those who want extra security without losing out on home lighting. This is perfect for you if you're into smart home integration and want a camera that can do more than just watch. Skip this one if you're looking for a straightforward camera without the added features. For its price, it offers great value and functionality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something simple yet effective. Product number 3, Noatech 2K Light Bulb Camera. Now, let's talk about the Noatech 2K Light Bulb Security Camera, priced at $37.99. This option grabbed my attention for its impressive features at an affordable price. If you want reliable performance without breaking the bank, this might be your perfect match. The Noatech supports both 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi, ensuring stable connectivity for up to 33 feet visibility with 3MP HD resolution. The added motion detection and a siren alarm help deter intruders effectively. Plus, it offers two-way audio, so you can communicate easily. With a rating of 4.1 stars from 3,000 reviews, many users appreciate its functionality for the price. However, some users mention the need for a micro SD card, which isn't included. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with a small additional purchase, this camera performs exceptionally well for its price point. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, budget-friendly security camera that covers the basics. Skip this one if you need extensive features or storage options. It still holds great value for its cost. Now, if the lack of included storage bothered you, the next product might have just what you're looking for. Product number 4, Noonkey 2K Light Bulb Camera. Next, we have the Noonkey 2K Light Bulb Security Camera, priced at an attractive $18.99. This caught my eye because it just feels like a steal for the features it offers. If you want something super affordable yet effective, this might be it. With 2K resolution and color night vision, you can get clear images even in dark conditions. The Noon Key also has a motion tracking feature, which means it will follow movement, giving you a better view of any activity. Plus, it's compatible with Alexa, making it a great addition to a smart home setup. With a rating of 4.0 stars from 2,700 reviews, it's clear that many are happy with their purchase. That said, some users pointed out that the camera can be a bit slow to connect initially. But honestly, once it's set up, it works like a charm and provides great monitoring. This is perfect for you if you want an entry-level security solution that still covers the essentials. Skip this if you need high-end features or instant connectivity. It's a fantastic value at this price. Now, if you're looking for something more versatile and feature-rich, let's check out our final product. Product number 5, WYZ Bulb Cam 2K HD. Finally, we have the WYZ Bulb Cam 2K HD, priced at $37.98. This product stood out to me because it combines smart lighting with excellent security features. If you want a high-quality camera that doesn't just blend in, this is worth considering. The camera features manual adjustable pan and tilt, giving you control over your viewing angles. With 2K HD resolution and color night vision, you'll have a clear view day or night. It supports local recording without a subscription, which is a huge plus if you want to save on monthly fees. It has a solid rating of 4.2 stars from over 3,300 reviews, showing that it's appreciated by many users. However, some users pointed out that ensuring compatibility with their existing fixtures can be a hassle. But if you meet the specifications, this camera offers fantastic features for the price. This is perfect for you if you want a well-rounded light bulb camera that excels in both security and lighting. Skip this one if you have unique fixtures that might not fit. The price point makes it a solid investment for your home security needs. So, there you have it, 5 great options for outdoor light bulb cameras. The Wesicu offers budget-friendly features, while the WYZ Bulb Cam excels in versatility. The Noatech is straightforward and effective. The Noon Key is a steal for the price, and the final WYZ Bulb Cam balances smart lighting with security nicely. No matter what your needs are, there's an option here for everyone. Stay safe and secure.